Because a lot of people have debated about, because we know that before the flood, there was no um, there was no rain. It had never rained before the flood. And a lot of people are like, well, how could all these plants be existing if there was? Well, they're not paying attention to verse 6 here. It says, but there went up a mist from the earth and watered the whole face of the ground. It means this mist was so heavy, it's kind of like, almost like they constantly lived in a misty climate, like humidity. Well, and I personally think living in a humid climate is awesome and amazing. It does amazing things for my skin. I can tell you that right now. One of the worst things about Wisconsin winters is the fact that it is so dry. And I love Wisconsin summers because they're very humid and my skin just feels so much better in that. But I will have to say, I would have loved had that constant sauna mist thing going on. Oh.